Good on Rivet's end.
On Sargasso, you said you gave Ratchet the Dimensionator so that he could find the other Lombaxes. I never thought I'd meet one of us, much less find our home, if you can even call it that. Do you really think it would work?
No.
No? No! What happened here?
I am uncertain. Now that was exhilarating. The Blizon appears to have stored energy from the dimensional rifts.
Whoa. Another dimension. Is this your Blizar?
No, but we can find intact phase quartz here. We should seek out the miners.
Indigenous creatures detected. Lockdown initiated.
Facility lockdown. Oh, that cannot be good.
Let's worry about the toxic crabs first! What was that?
Seismic activity, perhaps caused by the crumbling barriers between dimensions.
I was afraid you'd say that!
Facility damage.
Haven't you punished me enough?
We need to reach the other side of that window to
Stupid
activate the
universe.
lockdown
No
release.
job.
Another
No
dimensional
phase
thing?
quartz.
Yes,
No
the
planet.
instability is worsening.
What else do you want, huh?
Probably why mining
My mind?
operations are offline.
Fine, take it!
If it helps, I just found out there's another dimension where Blizar's still intact,
Still intact. How do you... Of course! The Blizon! If the planet hasn't been destroyed yet.
Who was that? Do you know what she was talking about?
She must be a survivor of whatever happened here.
All right, we need another Blizon crystal.
Lombax located! Engaging!
Oh, come on!
I need to find them. They need
This
to know.
area is currently on lockdown. Please vacate the facility at your earliest and safest convenience. Thank you, and have a blazing Blizar day.
Perhaps we can reset the lock.
Aha! Got it!
Lockdown reset. Thank you, and have a safe, following blazing Blizar day.
I will make this shot count. Run out, Red!
Got him. So how are we gonna get the phase quartz?
We should speak to a miner or engineer in the intact dimension. Seismic activity has destroyed the bridge.
Guess we're going the long way around. Lava cup boys are kind of cute when they're not trying to gnaw your ankles.
Which is never.
Grab the law back!
More goons for less!
Most elite division!
Really?
Just figured that out?
Incoming! These bros always travel in herds.
Honestly, kind of cute. Room goons might be elite, but not as elite as us.
Please keep your hands and feet inside and avoid the insta-death lava bubbling all around you. Thank you and have a blazing Blizzard day.
Thanks for the help, Bolts. Not really used to it.
We will need a way to mine the phase quartz. Perhaps the giant drill.
Let's find someone who can point us to it.
This is the mining hub. Perhaps someone here can direct us to the drill. The Chief Engineer's survey station should be nearby.
You're just full of fun facts, huh?
Indeed. For example, the average miner spends 72% of their life underground.
Whoa, really?
No, but I would hate to bore you by running out of trivia. These individuals appear as confused as we are.
Earthquakes, lockdowns, interdimensional rifts. Can't really blame them, but we need that drill. We should hurry. Whatever happened to Blizzard in my dimension, this one could be next.
You break it, you buy it! Happy to help, hon!
I believe we are close to the survey station. The decorations here are slightly more colorful than in my dimension.
Bolts, focus.
Oh,
It's kind of pretty. In a deadly, terrifying way. There. That must be the chief engineer. Hello?
Do you hear that?
No.
Voices. Haven't been hearing them for too long. Wherever the purple is, they are too. First the quakes and the Blizzard. Now this.
I don't hear anything. Except someone asking if you'll be drilling for phase quartz soon.
Not until I determine what's going on. For all we know, this whole drill site is haunted. That's why I sent my science bots out to scan the purple.
And?
I have to pick them up. And I know it's safe.
Wait! I'll find the bots and bring them back here safe and sound.
these bots have intercepted a message from your dimension. Perhaps it is from that person we encountered.
Hopefully they can help us figure out what happened there and prevent it here. Let's go.
Testing comms. The bots would have followed the paths marked by the survey rods. I'm sure they're listening in on the purple.
The tremors are increasing in frequency and size.
Greetings. We are in the greatest of dangers. Follow. Be quick.
Okay.
Please come. Oh, goodness. Oh, no. Hurry. Hurry. Scorched fur smells awful. The glue's on. Strike. Strike now.
There must be another Blizon crystal nearby.
Finally. A decent connection. I need to warn you about it. Very dangerous.
That could describe almost anything on this planet.
I am overheating.
I'll ping her so she comes back to me.
We have one part of the message. Hopefully the rest will help us understand what happened to your Blizzard.
Robo-muts are out investigating that signal we picked up. Whoa! Sneak attack!
You wouldn't give up yet? It'd be great if you did. Oh, that was close. Behind the safety glass.
Stop and listen. He's damaged. We'll destroy.
Identify non-hostile entity. Hello, are you my new best friend?
No. You should head back to the chief engineer.
Friendship request denied. Sad noises. Returning to chief engineer.
Aww.
Stop and listen. He's damaged. We'll destroy. You don't need it that badly.
Perhaps she is talking about the safety protocols. I know I find red tape constricting.
Makes as much sense as anything.
Hostile entity. Hello, are you my new best friend?
You see something over there? Must have gone into that. That's not a bro! That's Wombat!
Yep, still me. Bros, 0, none. Bros. I've lost count.
Are you always suspicious that anyone you meet works for Emperor Nefarious? Ah, a fair point.
Drill platforms. Well, defunct ones. 1,000,000% sure rifts opened over here. You'll definitely find the bots.
See the bot over on that platform on the right, past the broken bridge.
There must be a way to reach it. We have reached the bot platform, but the functional bot is in the intact dimension.
Right. We're missing something. Ugh. Oh! The crane moved the crystal.
This may bring us one step closer to reaching the bot.
ruined the safety record. Days of the tire.
Engaging, charming.
Yeehaw! What are y'all doing here? Returning chief engineer with an important message.
Oh, Sam, always trying to find herself. One step closer to figuring out this message. That's all of them. Thanks. Come back to my survey station. Let's see what the little bots picked up from the other side.
Ow! Go!
Proximity warning. Hazardous life forms detected. Facility security lockdown engaged.
Don't worry. I designed the security system myself. Except that motion trackers are staying there inside the house. The room. Me. The ceiling. I always forget to look up. What the heck is that thing?
Location unknown. Life forms unknown. Protocol destroyed.
A gift from my dimension to yours. Now I'm gonna reduce it to scrap metal.
How am I supposed to unlock the secret of this shattered dimension when these sticks keep crashing my mighty side?
Oh dear, we are alarmingly outnumbered here.
Native life forms no longer detected. Security walls disarmed. Thank you, and have a blazing Blizzard day.
Phew. Okay, minor setback. Gonna take a little longer to decode this message. But you guys can use the drill. Jim will take you there.
Hello, are you my new best friend?
Sure?
Happy noises. I will take you to our phase quartz extracting drill in the name of friendship.
That can't be good.
That dimensional anomaly is identical to the one we saw on Sargasso.
Good. That means you can deal with it.
As your best friend, I must warn you that dimensional integrity could have affected the drill.
What's that mean?
As your best friend, I do not want you to worry, so I will not expound at this time. Instead, impromptu music.
I can't authorize drill usage until the blockage in that tube is cleared.
We should go for karaoke after this. Do you like karaoke, best friend? I will dislike it if you dislike it.
You ready to fix another dimensional mess?
Leave it to me.
This is where I must leave you in body, but... Goodbye, best
Clank,
friend.
I just saw Ratchet. Is there anything about Ratchet and Rivet that's the same?
They are both very quick to take action. Unlike me, I always get so caught up in the details.
And you wish you were better about that.
Not all the time, but it would be nice to not have to worry so much. This should keep things on the down low. This feels lighter than air.
I hope I'm not interrupting the process, but I think there are more spheres left to find. Clank! I think I know how to help you with your getting caught up in the details problem. You just gotta be confident.
What do you mean?
If there's one thing I've learned from my father, it's that acting like you know what you're doing can get you everywhere in life. That and carrying a plunger. Yeah. Anomaly has been fixed! Great job, Clank.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you! And remember, confidence is the key.